Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Gemini Photo and giving it access to your Photos library. This lets the app analyze images efficiently. Once enabled, select the shots you want. Pick the best single image or a small batch so processing stays fast. Make sure to use moments or albums to group similar frames. That helps Gemini identify duplicates and recommend edits. After you tap Import or Open, the app will scan faces, motion, and blur so you can move straight into focused corrections. You now work through Gemini's Edit panel. First, try Auto Enhance to get a reliable starting point because it balances exposure and color automatically. Once done, switch to Targeted Tools, remove Clears distractions, replace swaps backgrounds or elements, and the Detail brush refines edges. Make incremental slider adjustments to exposure, highlights, shadows, and saturation. Small moves preserve realism. If you're editing faces, use the Portrait Retouch options sparingly to avoid and finish by tapping Done and choosing Export. Save the edited file back to Photos or export a TIFF/PNG for higher quality because formats matter for later use. Make sure to keep versions if you want the original accessible. You can long press to compare before and after. If Gemini freezes or exports fail, first force quit the app and reopen it. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and check for Gemini updates in the App Store. That usually resolves permission or performance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.